スープラです。Little bit misfiring. Only short time. Little bit misfiring. But this panel, especially here, it's so sticky. Like a glue. Clutch feeling okay. Seat okay. Floor mat okay. This one from bench. Driver seat. Driver seat okay. This one from here. ちょっとこれはクラッチオイル。何これ。Spread out. Hey, this one also clutch oil. And no rust. Pressure is okay. Original wheel arm is painted. Right. Little bit color different. Paint crack. Paint damage. Color is different and a small dent. This one also color different. What is this antenna and the antenna scratch? All arm is painted. Here also color different. Number plate, tools, no water, inside is clean. Mirror paint is damaged. Mirror paint damage.